Hi, I'm Rushabh Shah. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through Hello Growth CRM, what the product is, what's inside it, and how it's run. So let's start with what the product actually is. Hello Growth CRM is a sales CRM covering the whole revenue cycle built by Sur LLC in the US and Meru Technosoft in India with 58 features across 7 modules. The CRM, the dialer, the messaging tool, and the sequencer all share one record, rather than 4 separate systems you have to reconcile. Now let's look inside those 7 modules. Core CRM holds the dashboard, analytics, leads, accounts, deals, and activities. Everything else writes into these records. Commerce and communication covers the dialer, WhatsApp, email, campaigns, quotes, invoices, and payments. The intelligence module holds AI insights, agents, forecasting, market radar, visitor tracking, and the goal tooling. And the remaining modules cover the customer portal, the support desk, and the admin layer that configures the system. Then there's the AI layer, 12 agents, and a public MCP server. The 12 agents run at 3 autonomy levels, acting on their own, acting with your approval, or only suggesting. And the public MCP server means ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can read and act on your CRM data directly. The catalog documents 630 integrations across 116 categories in 8 localized markets. There are 3 plans: a free tier that never expires and needs no card, growth at $10 a user with the AI and the dialer included, and custom-priced enterprise. You can run it in-house or have a managed RevOps specialist work the queue on a weekly cadence, triage on Monday, follow-ups on Tuesday, and a KPI report on Friday. And since the 1.0 release in January 2026, which also carried SOC 2 Type 2 certification, the product has shipped task boards, voice agents, WhatsApp, and a template library. Thanks for watching.